What's up, guys? This is Astro, and today I have a pack that I bought from Nacer. His Big Cartel. I'll put the link down below for his Big Cartel and his channel. He has pretty nice work. He sent a bunch of his little tags. And this one I thought was funny because it says, I am the one. I'm gonna put these on my black book. Sticker book. Double head. And this blue spray painted background. This big one, and this thermal. This one's in a thermal. 3 of his characters, and last but not least, he's in the collab. Pretty nice. I'm gonna get on it after this video. And when I checked the mailbox, I got this pack from him, and I got something else I want to show you guys. And that's it. A free sample from Liquitex. It's pretty cool because I got a little small spray paint, and it came with this cap, and I got a free marker too. It's a mini one with this tip. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.